Nice to meet you everyone. In today's video, we will explain step by step, from how to sign up on Bybit Mobile to how to trade futures, in the 2026 latest version. First, I will show you how to sign up for Bybit. Please install the Bybit on your mobile device. And once installation is complete, launch the app. Tap the Sign Up Login button at the bottom of the screen, and let's start the registration. Please tap Sign Up at the top right. First select your nationality, and tap the Register Now button. You can register your account using email or phone number. Tap the Referral Code button, and enter BB333 in the Referral Code input field here. By entering this code, you can receive a 20% Bybit fee discount and bonuses. If you enter BB333, you can confirm that exclusive rewards have been applied. After checking the terms below, tap the Sign Up Now button. When the puzzle verification screen appears, slide it to the right to match it. Next, proceed with email or phone verification. Now enter your password. The password must include uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers, and be at least 8 characters long. Tap Sign Up Now. Then your Bybit registration is complete. Next, I will explain how to complete KYC verification. To use deposit, withdrawal, and trading functions on Bybit, you must complete KYC verification. First tap the Verify My Identity button. Select your nationality, and proceed with ID verification. Among the various document types below, select one ID you can verify with. I will select a passport. Tap Continue below. And after preparing your ID, tap Continue once more. Now align the passport information page within the camera frame, and take the photo without reflections or shadows. Continue with facial verification. Align your face within the frame, and nod your head or blink your eyes. Then the KYC verification process is completed, and about 1 hour of review will proceed. After a short time, once the review is completed, you can see the KYC verification finished. Next, I will explain how to set up secondary security. Tap the person icon at the top left of the home screen, and tap the arrow icon at the top right. Select the security menu to set up security. To configure security with Google two-factor authentication, tap the Activate button. After completing email or phone verification, you will see this screen. Now install the Google Authenticator app on your phone. And once installation is complete, tap Continue in the Bybit app. Then a 16-digit setup key will appear in the Bybit app. Copy this setup key, and open the Google Authenticator app. Tap the plus button at the bottom right, and select Enter a setup key. Enter Bybit in the code name, and paste the copied 16-digit setup key into your key. Then a 6-digit code with the name Bybit will be generated in Google Authenticator. Copy this code, and return to the Bybit app. Tap the Next button, and paste the copied 6-digit code into the code input field. Then the secondary security setup is complete. Second, I will show you how to deposit into Bybit. There are several ways to deposit coins into Bybit, but today I will explain using the on-chain deposit method. First tap the Assets button at the bottom right of the home screen. In the account menu below, 2 wallets are displayed. Funding is the deposit and withdrawal wallet. Unified Trading is the trading wallet. Select Funding to proceed with the deposit. Tap Deposit, and tap Deposit Crypto. Now select the coin to deposit. Usually USDT is used because fees are low and transfers are fast. Next select the chain type. Usually Tron is used because fees are low and transfers are fast. Once selected, a deposit address for the coin is generated. Copy this deposit address. Now move to another exchange or personal wallet, where the coin is stored. Tap Withdraw on that exchange, and select the withdrawal method as on-chain withdrawal. Then select the coin to send to Bybit, and you must choose the same coin selected in Bybit. Paste the copied Bybit deposit address into address. Select the same chain in network as selected in Bybit. Enter the withdrawal amount, and tap Withdraw. After a short time, you can confirm the coin has been deposited into the Bybit funding account. Third, I will show you how to trade futures on Bybit. To start futures trading on Bybit, you must transfer the coin in the funding account to the unified trading account. First select funding, then tap transfer to move your coins. Set the transfer direction from funding account to unified trading account. Select the coin to transfer and enter the transfer amount. Tap confirm. And after a short time, you will see the coin transferred to the unified trading account. Now let's start futures trading. Press trade in the center of the bottom menu and select futures in the top menu. Then the futures trading screen appears. First tap the coin button to choose the coin you want to trade. Next tap this button to set the margin mode. Isolated opens a position using only part of the margin. Cross opens a position using all margin. For beginners, I recommend trading with the lower risk isolated mode. Tap the button next to it to set leverage. Leverage can be set up to 100x. But the higher the leverage, the greater the profit and the higher the loss risk. So beginners are recommended to trade with low leverage. Available margin is displayed in this area. Tap the button below to set the order type. Limit means placing an order at a specified price. Market means placing an order at the current market price. Below that you can set the trade price and quantity. Now tap this button to set the position direction. If you expect the coin price to rise, select long. If you expect the coin price to fall, select short. After selecting, tap the positions button below. Then the position status of the entered coin is displayed. Here you can see, unrealized P&L indicates the current profit rate. Entry price means the price you entered the position. Marked price means the current market price. Leak price means the liquidation price, and when this price has reached the position is automatically closed. Tap the Set TPSL button to set take profit and stop loss for risk management. Finally, if you want to close the position, tap the Close By button. Choose Market or Limit Close. Enter the closing price and quantity, and tap Confirm. Then you will see the position closed. In today's video, we organized step-by-step from how to sign up on Bybit Mobile to how to trade futures in the 2026 latest version. If anything was difficult or you have questions while watching the video, please leave a comment and I will respond quickly. If today's video was helpful to you, please support with subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.